how to take selfie with any seat dirty using AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to open Gemini app. If you don't have that app, you guys can download it from this store. So I will simply open Gemini. Here you guys will see on top 2.5 flash. Also on downside you guys can see Ask Gemini. Also image text with banana the icon. So simply click on that. Now here you guys will simply click on plus icon. Here you guys need to upload your picture and also the celebrity pic. So I will simply upload 2 pics. After that, click on done. Now you guys need to paste that prompt. I will give that prompt to you guys as well. You guys can see on screen. After that, you guys simply click on continue on that icon. Now wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you guys can see the result. How perfectly Google Nano Banana created a celebrity image with me. Thanks for watching.